You know, there is only one real way of showing off a beautiful pair of exhausts, and that is in a tunnel. Let's try that again. In a tunnel! Too dramatic? Okay. Now you've heard her, let's listen to what she sounds like on the road. But come on. Beautiful. From the side, and even in bushes, this bike looks to nuts. It sounds it too. That was different, wasn't it? These babies. You've just seen me up and down the road. Look how fast I can go down the road, says Jeremy Clarkson. I thought I'd give it a go. These are the exhausts. This is the part of the video now where you may want to skip, but for people who want to see how they go on and how simple they are, this is for you. With just 10mm Allen key and a 14mm, you can get these exhausts on and off with ease. Yes, I'm getting more colouring in, can be some vines and stuff, and yes, probably too many tattoos as it is. But anyway, let's get on with this now. These are the ginormous things on now. Simple, 10mm socket, 14mm in there, and this comes off. And these babies go on. As I said, you've already seen me go up and down the road. I thought I'd try a different format, hopefully you've enjoyed it. I'm assuming this has only done 6,500 miles. This is practically brand new. So, undo that one. And look how easy that wiggles out. This little sleeve in here might be welded in and not so easy to come out. However, that side, it literally went in like it should. A bit windy now. I've got the bottom cover to go on there, which I'll just blown over again with a little bit of black matte. And it's drying, which will cover that. But look at that. Just put that one on. Remember, as I've done in my videos, these take a little bit of moving around, and so we're going to go in something like that. So just got to fit these on, both on. I'll tell you what, the wind's really picked up, and I think they look absolutely beautiful. I have got a tail tidy coming, so that should clear up the back end. One last start up. Hope you enjoyed that. Mark Savage signing off. Please like, share and subscribe. Keep watching them. Take care on the roads.